States of being in touch with the United States is itself a problem. Now the fact is, over a period of time, if you look at our history, you look at world history, countries contact each other at such times. And look at ourselves. I will not talk about what happened in 1962. What were the letters written after 1962? Because even today it hurts me to read what Pandit Nehru wrote to John Kennedy after 1962. But let me refer to 1971. That when the fighting started, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi writes to President Nixon that in this hour of danger, the government and the people of India seek your understanding and urge you to persuade Pakistan to desist forthwith from the policy of wanton.
Please, nothing will go on record. Sanjay ji, baith jaiye, please. Will you speak?
From the policy of wanton aggression and military adventurism that they have unfortunately embarked upon. May I request Your Excellency to exercise your undoubted influence with the government of Pakistan to stop their aggressive activities against India.
Please let him speak. आप उनकी बात सुने आपको मौका मिलेगा जवाब देंगे. प्लीज हर बार खड़ा होकर डिस्टर्ब. संजय जी, ये गलत परंपरा है. आप अपनी बात करते हैं, दूसरे की बात सुनने को तैयार नहीं है. प्लीज ये जिम्मेदार आचरण नहीं है. ये संसदीय मर्यादा नहीं है. आप अपनी बात कहेंगे, दूसरे की बात सुनने को तैयार नहीं है. बिल्कुल नहीं. आपकी इच्छा अनुसार कोई बात कहेगा. प्लीज शक्ति सिंह जी बैठे. आपने अपनी बात कही, दूसरे पक्ष को सुनिए. प्लीज आप बोलिए. Nothing will go on record. Please, आप बोलिए.
Now let me come to what were the contacts between India and the United States. So on the 9th of May, Vice President Vance called up the Prime Minister to warn him that there was, in the American assessment, a massive Pakistani attack which would come in the next few hours. Prime Minister listened and made it very clear that if anything like that happens, it would get a fitting and appropriate response from our side. Now, a few hours later, that happened. And then, sir, that fitting and appropriate response also happened. And that fitting and appropriate response disabled the entire Pakistani air defense system and rendered all their main airfields inoperative. Now, at this stage, we started getting calls saying we think that the Pakistanis are ready to stop fighting. So,
please,
Secretary
please.
Rubio called.
No, Mr. Surjewala, not allowed. Please.
So,
Please speak. So that will go on the record.
The response which we gave, the response we gave to anybody who spoke to us was that the Pakistani side has to make a request, and that request has to come through the DGF. No. Wait, no, I'll tell you. Sit down, I'll tell you who called. Now, sir, I want to make three things clear. One, there was no leader, nobody anywhere in the world who asked India to stop its operations. This is something the Prime Minister also said. Number two, there was no linkage with trade. No, I'll tell you. So there is no linkage of trade. There was no linkage of trade in any of those conversations, and there was no cause between Prime Minister and President Trump. Now, so
nothing is going on record. Mr. Surjewala, please don't disturb the house. Please. Please, nothing is going on record. Please.
So I think if honorable members will sit down and allow me to continue.
Please.
During this period, as I said, we had a number of conversations with different countries. We had conversations with the US, we had a conversation with the EU, we had a conversation with Saudi Arabia, and I want to say this. When all the calls which I got are actually on record. They are on my social media record. So it was on the 10th of May, we got calls from US, we got calls from Saudi Arabia, we got calls from a few other countries. Most
नहीं आप इस तरह नहीं, प्लीज आप इस तरह आचरण.
So the point is, to everybody the answer was the same. The answer was, if the Pakistanis want to stop fighting, the Pakistanis have to request us. The Pakistanis have to request us through the DGMO channel. And that, sir, is exactly what happened. Now, sir, I would like to...
माननीय शक्ति सिंह जी, प्लीज आप बैठ जाए. आप बैठे, संजय जी बैठे, प्लीज. आप बोले, आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड की जाती है.
Sir, I would like to share what is the response. Sir,
आप डिसऑर्डर मत क्रिएट करें प्लीज. एज पर रूल्स, गो बाय रूल्स. शक्ति सिंह जी, आप कुछ भी बोले, आप अपनी बात कुछ भी रखें, दूसरे की बात न सुने, सही नहीं है. प्लीज मर्यादित आचरण रखिए, प्लीज.
Sir, I would like to respond to I would like to share with the House how the world responded to this. One, sir, it's very important for the House to recognize that the UN Security Council passed a statement.
Please. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, please take your seat.
Jairam Ramesh, sorry sir, I should address the remarks to you. सर, मैं उनको कहना चाहता हूं, वो कान खोल के सुन लें कि 22 अप्रैल से 16 जून तक एक भी फोन कॉल प्रेसिडेंट ट्रंप और प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी के बीच में नहीं.
प्लीज, ये सही परंपरा नहीं. आप अपनी बात कहें और दूसरे पक्ष की बात न सुने. ये लोकतांत्रिक मर्यादा के अनुरूप नहीं है. आप सब लोग धैर्य से सुने. प्लीज आप बोले.
सर, अगर now if we come to how the world responded, I think
प्लीज नहीं, रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रहा है. आप दूसरे की बात सुनने को तैयार नहीं है. आप दूसरा पक्ष सुनते नहीं है. प्लीज, आप अपना पक्ष कहते हैं, दूसरे का भी सुनिए. प्लीज.
In terms of the UN, in terms of the global response, I think most noteworthy was the UN Security Council statement. That statement was very noteworthy because Pakistan was a member of the Council. We are not members of the Council. Despite not being members of the Council, we were able to get the UN Security Council to issue a statement.
बार मैं आपसे अनुरोध कर रहा हूं, कृपया सीट पर बैठकर इस तरह से न चिल्लाएं, न कमेंट्री करें. मैं अनुरोध कर रहा हूं, डू नॉट फोर्स मी. प्लीज असंसदीय शब्दों का इस्तेमाल न करें. प्लीज बैठ जाइए. आप बोले, प्लीज.
So the UN Security Council on the 25th of April, और ये सर आप सोचिए कि हम सदस्य नहीं थे, पाकिस्तान सदस्य था, उसके बावजूद our diplomacy was able to get the UN Security Council to issue a statement underlying the need to hold the perpetrators, organizers, financiers and sponsors of Pahalgam act of terrorism accountable and bring them to justice. Now, not only that, sir, in this period, if you look, because a lot of comments were made yesterday, how good was Indian diplomacy? आपके कितने लोगों को समझा पाए, कितने लोगों को इनकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग सपोर्ट क्या थी? Sir, we had a statement from Quad, we had a statement from BRICS. वो बहुत अलग अलग ग्रुप थे, but yet Quad was specific in condemning the terrorist attack in Pahalgam and repeating the call of the UN Security Council to bring the perpetrators and organizers to justice without any delay. In the case of BRICS, so the very BRICS which after Mumbai 26/11 could not even use the word cross-border terrorism. आप लोग डिप्लोमेसी की बात कर रहे हैं, आपने मुंबई की बात उठाई नहीं वहां. अब वो लोग जो मुंबई पे चुप रहे, आज सर ज्ञान दे रहे कि हम लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए. और अगर आप ब्रिक्स में देखें, BRICS has a specific reference to cross-border movement of terrorists,
Nothing is going on record, please.
And safe havens. सर आगे देखें सर.
Please.
We were able to get
Please.
Central Asian countries.
Please.
Sir, we were able to get Central Asian countries to oppose providing safe haven using terrorist proxies for cross-border terrorism, terrorism financing. We were able to give Indian Ocean rim countries. We were able to get Germany. We were able to get France. We were able to get European Union. We were able to get Russia. Sir, अगर आप रशिया का देखें, President Putin has said that this brutal crime has no justification whatsoever and its perpetrators will face a deserved punishment. So, sir, I want to say that in terms of diplomatic support, we were able to get a wide range of countries, including our neighbors. Every one of our neighbors, barring Pakistan, issued a statement expressing solidarity, condemning Pahalgam. So, a lot of them said explicitly that people should be brought to justice. So, I do want to say that in terms of diplomatic understanding of what was happening, that
Let me speak. In such kind of noise, it's all people are on this. No. आप सभी लोग एक साथ खड़े होंगे. मैं पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर किसको अलाउ करूं? आई क्यों ना? प्लीज, you all sit. Please. Yes, Sushmita ji, tell me. Honorable Minister, just a minute. You tell me point of
Sir,
order.
Rule 240, irrelevance or repetition. The chairman, after having called attention of the council to the sir, he's repeating everything that is.
Honorable Minister, it's irrelevant. Please. Please take your seats. Honorable Minister.
ठीक है सर, डिस्टर्ब नहीं होते.
आप अब कंटिन्यू करिए. आप
अब सर, मैं सर डिस्टर्ब वो लोग होते हैं सर. वो डिस्टर्ब वो लोग होते हैं जब सर हम हिस्ट्री की बात करते हैं, सच्चाई की बात करते हैं, रिकॉर्ड की बात करते हैं, जब तुलना होती है तो बहुत डिस्टर्ब होते हैं. तो सबको समझना चाहिए. सर lot of questions. So questions have been raised about how Operation Sindoor